The existing system of the bank only regulates and records the warehouses and offices. It is generally recorded manually, which may leave latent hazards for safety. It is an inability to timely and effectively check whether each process of the cash box handover strictly implement the stipulation or not. Manager unable to effectively record operation time due to the inefficient management of many keys. While the manual record filling is inefficient and fallible, that cannot form a traceable management. The system further intelligentize operation locks, personnel attendance, safety control and accountability through the smart key. Through authorization matching, one key can open multiple locks, and automatically record the operate lock time in real time, so that the workflow management is more standardized. System can realize remote management, unified scheduling and monitoring, meet the requirements of operation and management. The lock status is real-time online, remove management latent hazards. Software can perform statistics and analysis on the data of operate locks, realize the accurate matching of people, locks, and time. Ideal solution to solve your problems in access control, bank, cash box, cash machine, escort truck, cash box. Application. Electromechanical technology record and control every access events. Nowadays Vanma lock products are widely used in more than 20 industries such as electricity, communications, banking, railways, smart cities, and municipal security.